Do you want to search your Windows system instantly and boost your productivity? Stay until the end and find out how to set it up in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for the app called Microsoft PowerToys. Install it, and once the installation is complete, launch the application. In the sidebar menu, locate the System section and inside it, find the Command Palette option. Activate this feature. Now, whenever you press the Windows key plus Alt plus space, a search window will pop up. You can quickly search through your system, open applications, or even run web searches directly from that window without having to dig through endless menus. It's fast, it's smooth, and it'll change the way you navigate your PC forever. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.